Okay, good morning to everyone. Today I would like to share about the 6 trigonometry function of any angles. Okay, now we look at the first example given. Okay, the questions say, given that the sine theta equals to -5/13, where the angle is between the 90 degrees to 270 degrees. Find the value of each of the following trigonometry function without using a calculator. Okay, first look at the diagram given. We can sketch the triangles with the sine theta equals to -5/13, where the angles lie in the third quadrant, where the angles must be line between the 90 degrees to 270 degrees. Okay, from the diagram, can you see the triangle there? Okay, the theta, if you compare the side of the theta there, we have 3 sides of the triangle here. The first one is the adjacent side, where the value is -12. Hypotenuse, the value is 13, and opposite side is -5. Okay, for the part A, cos theta, as we know that the cos theta is equals to adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So from the diagram, we get the answer is -12/13. Okay, now look at the part B, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equals to 1/sin theta. Okay, we just substitute the value for sin theta because 1 over the sin theta equals to -5/13. So the answer is -13/5. Okay, look at the part C, secant theta. As you know that the secant theta is equals to 1/cos theta. And the cos theta value we already get from the part A is equals to -12/13. So we just substitute inside, we get the -13/12. Okay, now look at the part D, cotangent theta. Cotangent theta equals to 1/tangent theta. As we know, the tangent theta equals to sin theta over cos theta. So if we do the 1 divided by sin theta over cos theta, we will inverse the fractions, so become the cos theta over sin theta. So we just get the value from the cos theta, there is a -12/13, divide the sin theta value is -5/13. So when we simplify, from divide become multiply, you have to inverse the fractions for the -5/13. Then the final answer you will get is 12/5. Example 2. Given cos theta equals to -12/13 and theta is an obtuse angle, find the values of the following trigonometry functions. Okay, when we look at the question here, the question already mentioned that the theta is an obtuse angle. So the obtuse angle must be in the second quadrant, where the angle lie between the 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, so first we sketch the triangle in the Cartesian plane. That means we have a 3 side here. That means we have an opposite side equals to 5, adjacent side equals to -12, and the hypotenuse equals to 13. So the part A, sin theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side over hypotenuse. So that means from here, we get the 5/13. Okay, for the part B, tangent theta. As we know that the tangent theta equals to opposite side over the adjacent side. So again, from the diagram, we can get the answer is a -5/12. Okay, look at the part C here, cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is equals to 1/tangent theta. And then we know that the tangent theta value already is a negative 5 over 12. So we just substitute the value 1 divided by negative 5 over 12. So you get the negative 12 over 5. Okay, now look at the part D, secant theta. As we know that the secant theta, the formula is equals to 1 over cos theta. So 1 over the cos theta equals to negative 12 over 13. So you will get the negative 13 over 12. For the part E, cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sin theta. So 1 over the sin theta is equals to 5 over 13. So if 1 divided by 5 over 13, so you will get the value is 13 over 5. Okay, now look at the example 3. Given cos theta equals to 3 over 5 and theta is situated in the 4th quadrant. Find the values of the following trigonometry function. First, we sketch the diagram, the triangle in the Cartesian plane. And we get the 3 sides of the triangle. That means opposite side equals to negative 4. Adjacent side equals to 3. And hypotenuse equals to 5. Okay, the first question is, we want to find the tangent theta. So as you know that the tangent theta equals to opposite side over adjacent side. So equals to negative 4 over 3. For the part B, the sin theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side over the hypotenuse. So equals to negative 4 over 5. For the part C, cosecant theta equals to 1 over sin theta. So equals to 1 over negative 4 over 5. So equals to negative 5 over 4. The last part, D, we want to find the secant theta. So secant theta equals to 1 over cos theta. So equals to 1 over, because the cos theta already given, the value is 3 over 5. So 1 divided by 3 over 5. So you will get the 5 over 3.